Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made these super easy reusable snack bags. These were super quick to make and are a great alternative to plastic ones. They're also great use for scrap fabric pieces. Start by cutting out an outer and inner piece for the bags. You'll need 2 rectangles that are your desired width plus an inch, and twice your desired length plus 2 inches. Place the 2 pieces right sides together and sew around the edges, leaving an opening on one of the long sides. Then trim off the corners and turn the rectangle right side out, poking out the corners. Next, measure and mark 1 inch from the top, then fold the rest of the piece in half. This step is optional, but for a cleaner look, top stitch over that top flap. Then fold that piece over and top stitch down each side. And that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please let me know if you tried it and maybe consider subscribing for more. I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching.